Hi, everyone. Today, we will explore a deeply meaningful story. This story is all about patience and inner strength. Let's get started. Once upon a time, there was a man who was very upset because of repeated failures in his life. Despite working very hard, he could not achieve success, which left him feeling hopeless and losing faith in himself. One day, he heard about a famous Zen master living in a nearby monastery. He decided to visit the Zen master to see if there was a way to overcome his difficult times. He went and met the Zen master. After listening to the man's troubles and sadness, the Zen master led him to the garden behind the monastery. In the garden, the man saw beautiful green grass and tall bamboo trees. The Zen master pointed to the grass and bamboo and began to tell a story.
A few years ago, when I planted the grass and bamboo seeds,
I took very good care of both, the Zen master said.
Soon, the grass started to grow, turning the garden green. Meanwhile, the bamboo seeds showed no signs of change. But I did not stop caring for the bamboo.
In the second year,
the grass grew denser. But still, there was no change in the bamboo seeds. Even in the third year, the bamboo seeds did not sprout. Yet, I did not lose hope and continued to water and care for them. In the fourth year, nothing happened. Then, 5 years later, a small bamboo shoot emerged from the ground. Compared to the grass, it was very small. But within 6 months, the bamboo grew over 20 feet tall.
The Zen master looked at the man and said,
"My friend, always remember that when you struggle in life, your roots are growing deeper and stronger. Your struggle is making you stronger, so that when great success comes in the future, you can handle it. So, don't give up on yourself. Your time will come. Do not fear struggles in your life, for they will strengthen the roots of your success."
The Zen master's story gives us a profound lesson on patience and perseverance. Sometimes, we go through tough times without seeing immediate results. This does not mean we are failing. Instead, it is a time for us to build a strong foundation to achieve greater success in the future. Look at real-life examples around us. Many successful people have gone through years of continuous effort before they achieved their goals. So never give up, even when things seem tough and unfair.
In conclusion, the story reminds us that patience and perseverance are keys to success. Trust the process and keep putting in the effort. Success will come to those who do not give up. Thank you for listening to today's story. If you find this story meaningful, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the next videos. Don't forget to share this story with your friends and family to spread this positive message together.